इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक आपको बता देते हैं। निप्पॉन लाइफ इंडिया म्यूचुअल फंड ने लद्दाख के लेह में नया ऑफिस खोला है। इसके जरिए निप्पॉन इंडिया का लक्ष्य लद्दाख में म्यूचुअल फंड में निवेश को बढ़ावा देना और फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी को भी बढ़ावा देना है। और इस मौके पर निप्पॉन लाइफ इंडिया के ईडी और सीईओ संदीप सिक्का से खास बातचीत की हमारे सहयोगी अंकुर मिश्र ने। आइए आपको दिखाएं।
Whenever we talk to any AMC head, business comes first. I want to understand from you, if you talk about penetration, if you talk about education about mutual fund, it will be very low here, and that is something which you might be aware. This is not something which you can expect in the beginning. When Mr. Malik came to you with this idea, how did you agree to it, and what was the rationale behind it?
I think it's very interesting. I think I still remember when General Malik first time talked to me about this, and he also just mentioned first time his association with Leh Ladakh was in '62. It's very interesting to note the first mutual fund in India started in 1964. It's been in that same conversation we discussed. It's been 61 years. No mutual fund has ever opened a branch in Leh or Ladakh, and that's how the discussion started. Yes, we are aware of the fact the penetration is very low. We are aware of the fact business may be very low. But I think what you have to understand, I think our philosophy has been, it's more toward financial inclusion. When this discussion started, we were conscious of the fact that today Leh has a population of about 4 lakhs. 100,000 people are forces. How do we ensure the people who save us, we also ensure we give them financial security? So this is not a decision which is purely business. If you look at today, Nippon India Mutual Fund has been going into very retail markets. We are very proud to say 100% of the districts in India, we have investors. 97% of the pin codes of India, we have investors. So this has been a part of our DNA, and the board has always been guiding us. But this discussion with General Malik was, now let's go to the border areas, now give financial security to people who are giving security to the country.
तो लेह में ये दफ्तर खुला है निप्पॉन लाइफ इंडिया का, और ये खूबसूरत तस्वीरें और इंटरव्यू आपके स्क्रीन पर। लेकिन चलिए